For a while now, we have been seeing a pop-up about your Pi to verify your wallet. Is it real? Is it genuine? I've received several questions whether this verification that is popping up when you want to mine your Pi, whether is it from the Pi core team. That's number one question we're going to look at this video. Number two is some of us, our Pi was returned back from the Pi wallet to the Pi app itself. So why do the Pi core team, why would they have to return the Pi already in your own wallet to your own Pi app? So now the first question is the verification. The verification, what made Pi to ask for such verification is number one, several accounts. Most of us share our accounts while we are with some people. We share our phrasal with some persons, and some persons sold their account. Some persons try to sell the account to other persons, to other persons. So Pi is also ensuring a strict verification. Pi verification is one of the strictest verification. So the email you have seen there is to verify your account also. So one account per email, so that you cannot use one email for several accounts. And also to make sure that if you are verifying, it will show, it will pop up the address, the wallet address that you want your account to be moved to, and it is this wallet address that your next migration will go to. So Pi is also checking, want you to be sure that this address that you are sending this coin to, is it the right address that you want to receive your coin? Is it the correct address that you have? So that is why one of the things that they are trying to check. So the answer is that the pop-up is really from Pi, but make sure that the pop-up comes up in your Pi app. And secondly, if you tap on that confirm, make sure that it did not take you outside the Pi app. If it takes you outside the Pi app, that one is not from Pi. Anything that comes from Pi should open it in the Pi app on itself. It will need to maybe Chrome, to open with Chrome, then it's not real. So you have to make sure. And secondly, you have to be very careful when doing that. Confirm it very well, and the time you are putting your phrasal words, don't share with anybody. Put it as you're supposed to put it, you alone, and confirm it. That's number one. The number two is, why did they return the Migrated Pi already? Some of us have already been migrated, our accounts have been migrated, and it will return back. According to Pi core team, is that they want to, it is because of this email verification that they want to do, because some persons actually, the persons that their Pi was migrated back are those that their own is still under locked. If you migrate your Pi, or if your Pi is migrated to the wallet, it will take 14 days before it will be unlocked. So for those that their own was still inside within that 14 days to be unlocked, are the ones that were migrated back. Like my account was not migrated back. My coin was there because I have already passed the 14 days. So I have some available coin already in my wallet. So mine was not migrated back, but my family members, some of them were migrated back, because it is not but it was within that 14 days. And some of my friends too were migrated back to the app. So from the latest update now is that they will soon do the second migration. So I also will do more videos to explain several things. There are many questions on Pi, many questions on Pi. So as I watch the video, thank you for watching. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so that you can get more updates on Pi. I will do more videos on Pi and many other blockchains, and how to make money online through blockchain. So thank you. Remember, Mr. Anayoluk. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like, and join our Telegram groups and our groups. Thank you, and let's meet in the next video.